We're over here at 508 International on the new kids track. Waiting his turn so we can go on to the big track right now. We have about a half an hour, so he's getting warmed up on the kids track. Whew. He's getting really good. He's getting more and more comfortable now. Today we have to keep reminding him to tuck his toes in, squeeze the bike, but it's only his first couple laps around, so he's getting back into the swing of it. Yeah, buddy! It's a really nice day out for riding today. I'm glad we made it out here. He's getting some air now, 7 years old. In case you guys just tuned in, give us a like and a follow. There he goes. All right, guys, I'll post more videos later.